Not so hard. Super soft. Oh, one more.
I almost got it.
You gotta throw it soft. Oh, one more. No, soft and high. Like this. Okay.
He got it.
Woo! One more.
Okay.
Throw it just like that.
Okay, and then it's my turn.
Okay. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Throw it like this high.
I almost got it.
That was right in your face.
My turn.
Good. Let's try it. Open your mouth.
Meow.
Almost. Almost. Throw it up.
Throw it up, throw it up.
Oh no. Ready? Open your mouth.
You almost got it. You almost got it.
Ready? Open your mouth, Dorcas. Tilt your head back a little. Open it. Come on, man. Open it.
You threw a bunch at me.
Yeah, ready? Tilt your head back. Okay, you throw this one to me. There's 3 of them. Okay, ready? Ah, my big old buck teeth. Buck teeth.
Open your mouth.
Ah, that's perfect. Ready? Focus.
I went to focus.
Okay. You focus. Ah, Dad's big old buck teeth got in the way. Okay, throw it again.
What did Victor call you earlier?
Get that one.
Walrus.
I'll get
Oh
it.
yeah, walrus. Dad's got walrus teeth on it.
Ah.
Okay, throw it up.
Oh!
Okay, throw it up. Not that hard, Dorcas.
Okay.
Softly.
Okay.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Kind of high like this. Open your mouth.
You almost got it.
A little bit higher.